Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to move away from the help desk, desktop support level 1, level 2, level 3, whatever you want to call yourself. And I'm talking about the support level to more of sysadmin or network engineering positions. So my destination is this door. I already know that. Everybody knows that. So there's few things that will be required for me to move towards this. So the first step is to prepare yourself mentally. If you're not mentally prepared, you cannot go towards that door. There's too many equipments, too much technology, too much to learn, too much to absorb. So if you're mentally exhausted, physically you cannot move towards that route. So what I'm saying is basically you need to be guided. You need to be learning these things a smart way. A lot of people will tell you to just take MCSA, take networking, CCNA, but these are huge courses and each has a very specific target. Every company is just grabbing you and telling you that Cisco is the only thing and the whole world is running on Cisco, which is not true at all. Everything is a mixture. As soon as you go into that door, that data center, that servers, routing, everything is connected. So for you to become a systems administrator or a network engineer, both, and I'm talking about both, you cannot be just putting yourself into one technology and then you think everything is going to be good to go. People who have done this, ask them this question, that how much do you know about other things? Like if you have to configure router or switches, do you need to know about DHCP and DNS on a Windows server? And tell me, you'll get an answer. People are not using DHCP from the routers. People are using Windows servers to give out the addresses and everything like that. So make sure you take these decisions very smartly, because this is not something you can just go and just run into it. A lot of people come back to us for this specific reason because they need that. They need someone to guide them. Now, I'm not saying we're the only people that are talking about this or teaching this stuff. You can find anybody who have the same guidance, that can give you the same guidance, then go for that. These are the people that can really help you. So the next step, after when you're prepared mentally, then what do? You need to take that practical step. The practical step is basically doing things hands-on. What I mean by that is that you need to be getting into the servers and configuring domain controllers, and also some of the DHCP stuff like that, which is kind of like a normal core setup of a network, and then getting into more networking and stuff like that, whichever field you want to go. Then of course things gets a little clear for you once you're guided. Once you're not guided, then you're just like going left, right, security, networking, system administration, cloud, and these are like monsters out there. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just kind of like guiding you. Do it smartly. So after this, when you prepare yourself mentally, you're ready, you have that time, you have that patience to go for it, then take that physical step. In the physical step towards my destination. And this is where the funs begin. You can see you have to learn about servers, routers, firewalls, UPS systems, some of the other stuff that we never heard of. You just basically looked at this stuff in the companies when you go in there. So you don't need to worry too much about it. How does all the switches works? How does it stacked? If one switch goes down, how do you recover it? How do you look into the backups? How do you get the backups? Are you sure that they're getting backed up? Are you sure they're monitored? So there's a lot of things that you have to learn in this area then. And of course the physical part, where you have to take everything out, put it back somewhere, and then you have to say bye-bye to that, because things are moving to what? Things are moving to? Is this cloud? No, it's not cloud. It's not like, it doesn't work that way. So my last comment to you is that do not stress about this stuff. This is natural stuff. Even if you are doing it manual way, even if somebody's not guiding you, trust me, when you go into the companies, naturally you're going to learn these things. It's just a hard way and a smart way. We're just kind of like promoting this smart way more than that manual way that we used to do things. So that's what we're doing right now. But don't worry about too much of this stuff. This is like natural IT things that you're gonna learn. If you're passionate about IT, trust me, you're gonna wake up at night and you'll do it, which is not recommended, but you will do it. This is how we all did it, right? So don't stress about it. Enjoy your life, enjoy the weekends, go out, enjoy technology, get to know more people. There's so many YouTube channels out there. We are there for you. You know, we have courses, we have labs, we have trainings, we have so many things for career development that you shouldn't be worried right now. If you're part of this platform and you're a subscriber of this channel, you should be really happy because you're getting a lot of things that you're gonna see in future, which will make your life very easy. I will make another detailed video, a boring video, where I'm gonna start diagrams and I'm gonna talk about skills, how can you move up to another skills, what to take, all that kind of stuff. A very, very detailed video, and that should be something that can be, taken after this video, because now you feel like you can do this, right? Thank you.